welcome back to our channel. I'm Natalia.
And I'm Chanel.
And today we're going to be doing cake pop. So hard. We have white chocolate. We have some brown chocolate.
White chocolate.
And we got a syringe for the icing.
Yes.
We got baking cup.
And we got a big.
This looks like a big
pop.
And this looks like a big giant bucket, but it's actually for the cake pops baking mix.
And we also have frosting.
And we have these for like if we want to give it to a gift for our friends or family or our grandma or grandpa. And these are like things to wrap it, and we got some paper to wrap it. So let's get started. So we have so here's how we're gonna make the cake pop mix. So first, you're not gonna pour it yet. We're gonna add some cake pop mix. And we have some 1.5 of oil, and there is one and a cup of water. So
and then we have 3 eggs.
Okay, so let's get started. So you put the mix in there. Oil. Oh, disgusting.
And now we're going to put the water.
Yes, put the water.
Now we're going to pause the video at the end, or maybe you could just run it so.
Because if you want to make cake pops, you can pause every step so you can see how we do the mix.
Yes.
So now you can get 2 eggs to crack
and put them in our bowls.
Yes, we got small bowls because we might get the shells in. So yeah, we got a separate bowl. Okay. Oh, I got mine in. Let me show you. Where do I put this? I'll put this in there for now. Okay. Let me show you guys. It's in there, but
coming out.
Got it.
Excellent.
Okay. So now we're gonna put the eggs into there. So let's put the eggs into there. So I'll put mine first. Okay, put yours. Okay, so we got the eggs. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients. Ready?
So good.
Wow. This is how it looks afterwards. I'm scared to make it.
I just want this to be pretty. That's all.
Okay. I have to put some more. I'm gonna mix a little more. Ow.
Oh no.
In the oven for 350 degrees and for 15 minutes. Let's go! So we're putting sprinkles and frosting is melting in the microwave, and we're putting sprinkles on right now for the
We already did it. Feels
cake pop.
Let's do this one together.
Okay, ready? Go. Ooh, they're shaking.
Look at this one. This one looks so cute.
Triangle.
Yum.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
So now we got the setup going on.
And we got this Valentine's thing.
Because it's Valentine's.
Valentine's Day, ladies and gentlemen, right?
We're eating all the sprinkles.
I can see that.
Guys, look at that.
Yeah, now you can decorate it.
I'm gonna decorate it with
What are you gonna decorate with?
these dots first.
What are they for?
They're Valentine's. Because it is Valentine's Day. Guys, look at that. My first one is done.
Right? No, it's okay.
It looks like a dance floor.
It looks like ice cream.
I know, it looks like a cake pop, but it's upside down.
Yeah. There you go.
Can you
Here.
get the other part?
Yeah, and I can do it just like that. Look, check this out.
It's like a ice cream upside down.
It's like ice cream upside down.
Okay, I'm gonna make another one now. I'm gonna get this perfect, pretty one.
Mm.
I'm gonna eat it.
That was the one that I made.
Well, remember, you don't have to put chocolate on them, but the only way it will stick will be only
I
to put
made
chocolate
that
inside.
one. That was the one that I made.
And when, you know what I can do? I can get you. There you go.
I made this.
Don't fall, don't fall.
And it will fall, just use a spoon. Okay?
It fell. Why does these cake pops fall always down into the chocolate? Now it's gonna be like a tornado of chocolate.
Ooh. Natalia, don't forget all the other different sprinkles you have. And the ones for Valentine's, too. Oh, you already did Valentine's. Okay.
Come down. There you go. Okay.
Perfect.
We already have 1, 2, 4 cake pops done.
On my cake pop.
Mm-hmm.
Go on.
There we go.
Without no sprinkles, it's still beautiful, right? Everything without sprinkles is kind of beautiful too. Yeah. Stay. Good.
Mmm.
Yeah. I just want to try one right now. Can we try one?
I think you deserve to try one. After this hard work, girls.
I'm gonna
Yes.
try this one.
You deserve to have one
Oh
for
god,
sure.
it's so hard to get off now.
Which one should I try? That's one of mine.
Mmm. So good. I think we should make more. Yeah. Now we're gonna make more. Chanel, I got another challenge for us for the funnest day forever. Do you know what it is? It's Chubby Bunny! And guys, it is where whoever can put the most marshmallows in their mouth gets $5. $5. So, ready, set, go.
Okay. All right. That's good because then you guys are gonna choke. Both of you are winners, and both of you are gonna get $5. Yay! Aren't you guys not excited?
Yeah. You guys for watching our baking session.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow down in the comments.
And her mom is gonna be mad at her because she's gonna get a sugar rush from all that marshmallows.